Hi, I'm Sid Probstein, Chief Technology Officer of Attivio. I'm very happy to be here today to tell you about Unified Information Access and how you can realize Unified Information Access through the Active Intelligence Engine. Let me start by laying some foundations. There's a great divide. The world is caught between. Most of the enterprises out there have this sort of chasm that they can't cross. On one side, traditional structured data technology, in particular, the relational database, used throughout the enterprise to store transactions and make sense of them. You may have operational systems, you may have where your business systems come from. These take your data and store it in a relational model. You may have an operational data store or a data warehouse where you attempt to make sense of these transactions and figure out what are your customers trying to tell you. On the other hand, you're not really getting what they're telling you. You're really finding out what they're doing, what they're buying, what products they're interested in, and where they buy them. It's very much a batch-oriented world. It's telling you a little bit about what happened in the last month or 2 months. It doesn't necessarily tell you why, even though that's often what you need to know. On the other side of this great divide, there's the world of text, documents, PDFs, email messages. You may have rich media, like this video. You may have all kinds of files that you've stored throughout the enterprise. You may even have data in a database, perhaps a blob of text from some application. This is the unstructured side of the world. And of course, really a lot of this data comes also from business systems. But there's a difference. This data is unstructured. It's human expression. You're not limited to a set of tables or rows. You're talking about all the different ways a human being could possibly express something. This is all about the why. Why does somebody buy? Why does somebody not buy? If you're out in the world offering products, you're only getting feedback when they actually purchase something. The text side, the unstructured side, tries to tell you why. But it's very hard to work between these worlds because fundamentally these are different technologies. They're incompatible stacks, if you will. The structured side of the world deals with numbers and transactions. The unstructured side, as I mentioned, human expression. The business systems are in relational data. They are in RDB. They're accessed typically with the SQL, structured query language. On the unstructured side, you have systems like enterprise search, which is designed to help you make sense of it, but it takes in typically keywords. Until today, it's very hard to bridge these worlds and correlate what people are doing in transactions with what they're saying in text. Unified Information Access offers a very real possibility to bring these two things together.